Welcome to another vlog. My name is Natalie. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. She would have stepped all over your glasses because it was on the floor. We have a date night tonight. If you checked out my vlog, I don't know when any of this is dropping. I'm just going with the flow at this point. But I'm glad that I have enough content to drop. Enough videos to drop content on. Emery, get down, get down. Trying to get ready with a toddler is an Olympic sport. I don't know where the back to this at. Let me see. What am I wearing? I want to wear. I have this top. Right. Yeah, I even see. Hold on. What are you doing? Fish. Oh, fish. Oh, it works! Yay! The little fish thing I bought her wasn't working. It's working now. Yeah. It never worked. It wasn't moving. The fishes are supposed to move. Anyway. Oh, I got distracted. Yeah. Oh, it's still dark in here. So this is the top. Right? So I don't know if I want to wear this with black pants and some heels. Let's see. If I do that, I'm not going to wear it with the same heels from yesterday. Although those were comfortable. I'm so close to the camera, my bad. But I've never wore these because they're so wide on my feet. Like, they're cute. Yeah, they're super cute. I just want to do casual chic. That's what I want to do. Either that. I have these, but these hurt. Really? Yes, cutie. What? Nope. No. What I told you. No. 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 You know why I'm taking it away from you? Because last time you colored all over the wall. And we don't do that. We don't color on the wall. I could do black and gold since I did silver yesterday. I'm just all over the place. This is my life. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is why I understand why my mom never used to let us in her room back then. Because kids touch everything. All right, let me turn this on for you so you could like. Nope, off the bed. So I'm about to send her downstairs with my niece so I can really get ready. I'm about to shower, but like in like 10 minutes, I think I'm gonna send her downstairs with you so that way I can do my makeup in there because she's gonna. Yesterday she was crazy. All right, let's see. What can I wear with this? I've had these pants for months. I got them from Marshalls and they did not fit. And I think I got it. I'm at a point now in my size where you don't realize that you're losing inches, losing weight until you try on things that didn't fit and they're starting to fit. The booty part, it's the booty part that's the problem. That's how it was with the outfit yesterday. Can I get this up? The thing is, I don't want it to be too tight and then like, ooh, girl, hold on. Couple more inches, it would be good, but I think these would be perfect with boots because they're a little above my ankles. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna wear these wide leg pants. I think that'll be the best to wear with something that's like this. I feel we'll see. We have so many different options in clothing. Okay, so I just showered. So we're gonna do my skincare because y'all see me do my makeup yesterday. I'm gonna say yesterday because that's when the event took place. But when you see this, it didn't happen yesterday. So it happened a day prior. So y'all will see that video prior to this. If you haven't, definitely go check it out. But yeah, I wash my face with the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, and I go in with this Lasoy Clinical Skincare Vitamin C Micellar Cleansing Water just to kind of like make sure I got all the makeup off from yesterday. Once I do that, I go in with I showed y'all yesterday. Did I? I did. I did show y'all. Anyway, let me just do my skincare. And then I'll get back on camera once I'm done. My makeup done, my outfit's on and everything. Because I'm really hoping how I have the outfit envisioned in my head, it comes out good. Because I have a short period of time right now. this is how my makeup look. I just gotta do a few finishing touches, and the scent of the night is gonna be the same scent that I had on last night. Did I show y'all what I had on last night? I did Chanel Chance, and then I'm pairing it with the Sur La Route Louis Vuitton. Baby, I may have to get the bottle to this. This smells amazing, amazing. And I'm going in with some eyeliner. I gotta get closer for this. If you guys don't know, opening your mouth when doing eye makeup helps to keep it from watering. It's kind of like you're distracting your brain. In a sense, I'm not sure, but I learned this years ago when I used to model. When I was getting my makeup done, girls like, open your mouth. And I was like, oh, okay. And it didn't bother me as much. Try to distract yourself, and then, yeah, it shouldn't water. Anyway, that same pencil, I'm doing my lip liner. And I'm going in, same lipstick, Velvet Teddy. And you just keep doing that until the lip liner blends in. And I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lip gloss. And that's it. And I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend after. And let's take this off, because I had this on all day since yesterday. Well, since I got home from the holiday party, and I didn't take my hair out at all. So we're gonna, should look a lot better than yesterday's. These, man, listen, this saves you the headache of having to curl your hair. And when it's like this, the perfect time to spray hair. I'm gonna go in with the Tresemme. Tresemme actually holds your hair longer. Do not be afraid to spray a lot of hair, holding spray. After that, just kind of hand comb your way through the hair. And then I'm gonna comb through it in just a minute. More for this side. And I'm going with the wide tooth comb. I'm gonna comb through the curls.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first.
It's either I wear a small earring, but I think with this, being that you have your neck showing, you want something dangling. So I'm gonna wear the same earrings I wore these last night. She ain't gonna sleep. The Let me see if they're on the way. See? It just brings the outfit together. And then this time, I'm just gonna wear my watch, nothing extra. Very minimal tonight. My watch, which I need to fix the time on this. The battery don't even work. And then, of course, my wedding band and my my ring con. But this time, I'm gonna put it on this hand. This finger. But this is the final look. Now I gotta figure out what shoes I wanna wear. So let's Hold on, let me see. Let's pick it out together. Beauty is pain. So maroon, these black shoes, these silvers. So what do you think? Okay. Which one will look good? So give you a visual. I'm gonna just call my sister. If she answers. She never answers. I'm gonna record a video. Your ass don't never freaking answer when I need your ass. I wanted to know. Oh, she's calling. Okay. I have on all black. Thank you. Well, it's a date night tonight. Thank you. Final look. Come on, boo. Let's show the vlog. Show chat. Our final answer. Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Sorry about that, you guys. All right, so we're all dressed up. I'm gonna get my pictures in, and then we're gonna get going. I'm not bringing you guys along, but I'll get some footage on my phone.